Sawubona, unjani mngani? Sondela hlala phansi, sifunde mngani. Sawubona mngani, welcome back to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom. My name is Mama Thando. Mama Thando. And what's your name? It's a pleasure to meet you. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Now, I just said to you, Sawubona. What does that mean? That is hello in isiZulu. Sawubona. Let's look at it on the board. Sawubona. I'm going to read the whole word and then I'm going to ask you to repeat it after me. Sawubona. Very, very good, mngani. Sawubona is hello. In the morning, during the day, in the evening, it's hello. Sawubona. Sawubona mngani. Let's sing the hello song together. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani? Sondela hlala phansi, sifunde mngani. Mngani. That was beautiful, by the way. Mngani. I call all my friends mngani because that's the word for friend in isiZulu. Mngani. Mngani. Can you repeat that after me? Mngani. Very good. Very, very good. Now, mngani, I would like you to meet my other friend, a very helpful friend, and that is Khomba. Lo ukhomba. This is Khomba, my friend. Khomba means to point in isiZulu, and Khomba helps me to do just that. I can point on the board all of the words and you can see them clearly because of Khomba's help. Thank you very much. Now, Khomba is going to help me so much today to show you all the wonderful things that we have here for you to learn today. And you are going to have fun because isiZulu simnandi. Now let's get started with our lesson. Oh, wait a minute. Before we start, I didn't even ask you how you're doing. Such bad manners. Okay. Unjani. Unjani mngani. How are you, friend? Unjani. Well, for you to tell me how you are, you need to know which word to use, right? So let's sing the feeling song. Imizwa yethu. Imizwa yethu. Mina nginemizwa, wena unemizwa, yena unemizwa, bona banemizwa, sonke sinemizwa. Mina nginjani, ngabe ngiyaphila, ngabe ngidumele, ngabe ngikhathele, ngabe nginjani. Mina ngiyaphila, ngabe wena unjani, ngabe uyaphila, ngabe uyagula, ngabe ujabule. Wena uyaphila. Yena unjani? Ngabe udangele, ngabe ukhathele, ngabe unene. Yena uyaphila. Bona banjani? Ngabe bayaphila, ngabe bayakhala, ngabe bathokozile. Bona bayaphila. Thina sinjani? Ngabe siyaphila, ngabe sineme, ngabe sijabule. Thina sijabule. Thina sijabule. Now that we know the different feelings or emotions in isiZulu, unjani mngani? How are you, friend? It's good to know. Thank you for letting me know. As for me, ngiyaphila. 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 I am well, mngani. I am fine. Now, let's get started with our lesson today. Behind me here we have days of the week in isiZulu. The days of the week in isiZulu are izinsuku zesonto. Izinsuku zesonto. I'm going to read all of them from Sunday, isonto, to Saturday, umgqibelo, and then I'm going to ask you to say each one after me. Let's get started. Isonto, isonto. Umsombuluko, umsombuluko. uLwesibili, uLwesibili. uLwesithathu, uLwesithathu. uLwesine, uLwesine. uLwesihlanu, uLwesihlanu. Umgqibelo, umgqibelo. Now, I'd like you to repeat after me. Isonto, umsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, umgqibelo. Now that we've learned all the days of the week, I'm going to ask you to say them after me, but a little faster this time. Isonto, umsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, umgqibelo. That was fun, Ngani. Don't worry if you were not able to say them all so fast. It's just a little bit of practice that we are going to do over and over and over until we get it all right. So don't you worry about it. Now that we know all the days of the week in isiZulu, let's sing the izinsuku song. In this song, you can snap your fingers, clap your hands, stamp your feet, whatever you feel like doing, as long as you have fun and memorize the days of the week in isiZulu. Izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. Isonto, umsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, kube umgqibelo. Izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. One more time. Isonto, umsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, kube umgqibelo. Izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. Now that we know the days of the week in isiZulu, we can now say what day it is today. uLwesingaki namhlanje. What day is it today? uLwesingaki namhlanje. Today, let's look at the days of the week. Yesterday we said it was umsombuluko. Yeah? So if we go to the very next day, that must be today, isn't it? uLwesibili. That's Tuesday. uLwesibili. Now let's say that in a sentence. Namhlanje uLwesibili. Namhlanje uLwesibili. Today is Tuesday. We don't want to forget this W sound because that is the one that says is Tuesday. We don't want to say today Tuesday. No. So, today is Tuesday. Namhlanje uLwesibili. Repeat after me. Namhlanje uLwesibili. Very, very good, mngani. Very, very good, mngani. Halala. Yebo, uLwesibili, 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 uLwesibili namhlanje. uLwesibili, uLwesibili, uLwesibili namhlanje. Yebo, uLwesibili. Now we know that today, namhlanje, uLwesibili. What about izolo? Yesterday. What day was it yesterday? Beku uLwesingaki izolo. Beku uLwesingaki izolo. What day was it yesterday? Let's look at the days of the week. Today is uLwesibili, namhlanje uLwesibili. So the day before that is umsombuluko, Monday, umsombuluko. So now we can say yesterday was Monday. Let's say that in isiZulu. Izolo bekuwumsombuluko. Izolo bekuwumsombuluko. Repeat that after me. Izolo bekuwumsombuluko. Now let's say the whole sentence. Repeat it after me. Izolo bekuwumsombuluko. Very good, mngani. Halala. Izolo bekuwumsombuluko. Yesterday was Monday. Oh, okay. So we know that izolo bekuwumsombuluko. Yesterday was Monday. Today, namhlanje, uLwesibili. Today is Tuesday. So tomorrow is the next day, tomorrow. And that is uLwesithathu. But how do we say tomorrow in isiZulu? Kusasa. 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 So now, let's say it in a whole sentence and say, tomorrow will be Wednesday. Now, let's say it in a whole sentence, a complete sentence, and say, tomorrow will be Wednesday. Kusasa kuzobe kuwuLwesithathu. Kusasa kuzobe kuwuLwesithathu. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Now, I would like you to repeat after me. Kusasa, kuzobe, uLwesithathu. Now, let's say the whole sentence. Kusasa, kuzobe, uLwesithathu. Very, very good, Mngani. Wenze kahle, you did great. Oh, now we know what day it is. I would like to know what the weather is like outside. Yeah? What's the weather like where you are, Mngani? Linjani, linjani, izulu namhlanje, liyabanda, liyashisa, linjani namhlanje. What's the weather like where you are, Mngani? Liyashisa, is it hot? Liyabanda, is it cold? Linomoya, is it windy? What's the weather like where you are? Take some time and go and look out the window, and if you need to ask for help, please ask an adult to help you. I'll be right here waiting for you. Da-da-da-dee, da-da-dum. Da-da-da-dee, da-da-dum. Da-da-da, woo-hoo, da-da-dum. Da-da-da-dee, woo-hoo, da-da-dum. Da-da-da-dee, da-da-dum. Oh, usubuyile. Yebo mngani. Linjani izulu namhlanje? What's the weather like where you are? Oh, that's very good weather. Well, I would like to also know what the weather is like here at Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom. Let's look through the imaginary window and see. Ooh, look at that! Another beautiful day. Blue sky, a few clouds here and there, and the sun. Beautiful. Ooh, and I can hear birds singing too. Oh, what a beautiful day. If it's like this, what do we call it? Lipholile. Izulu. Lipholile. Today, lipholile. Lipholile. It is cool. Siyabonga, imaginary window. Today, the weather is cool. Namuhla. Today, the weather is cool. Namhlanje, izulu lipholile. Let's put that on the board. Namhlanje, izulu lipholile. Will you repeat after me? Namhlanje, izulu lipholile. Very good, Mngani. Namhlanje, izulu lipholile. I want to put a picture showing us what the weather is like right next to the word lipholile. Will you help me choose the right one? Ooh, are these the ones? Which one is it? This one or that one? Wait. No, it's the hot, blaring sun. It's not hot today. No, hi. And there's thunder and a darker cloud. No, that's not like that today. Hi. Is it this one or this one? Ooh, I see the sun. There's definitely the sun outside. Ooh, but that cloud. And it's raining. It's not the right cloud. There are clouds outside, but not like that. And it's not raining. So, no, it's not this one. Is it this one? Ooh, look at that. The sun, yebo, yes. And clouds, yeah. It's beautiful. Lipholile. It is cool. Let's put that picture right next to the word lipholile. Very good, Mngani. Ngiyabonga. Now that we know what the weather is like outside, can you help me help my friend Andile so that he can get ready and go outside and play? Yebo, ngiyabonga. Andile, oh, there he is. Sawubona Andile. Unjani? Yebo, Andile. Will you help me find the right clothes for Andile to wear while he plays outside with his friends? Ngiyabonga. Well, let's see what we have here. Isikindi, shorts, ibhulukwe, pants or trousers. Which one should we choose for our friend? Remember, isiZulu lipholile. The weather is cool. Yeah, I think ibhulukwe too. Now help me tell Andile to put these trousers on. Let's say, Andile, gqoka ibhulukwe. Andile, gqoka ibhulukwe. Now let's find Andile a t-shirt to wear. Isikipha, a t-shirt. Isikipha. Which one should we choose for him? The yellow t-shirt, isikipha esiphuzi, or this t-shirt, gray? Which one do you think is best for Andile today? Yeah, I thought this one too. Yeah, great job, great choice. Let's tell Andile to put it on. Let's say, Andile, gqoka isikipha. Together. Andile, gqoka isikipha. Oh, that was really fast. He put that on really fast. And now let's choose some shoes for Andile. Help me decide, should he wear these green and black sneakers, amateki, or should he wear these brownish looking sneakers? Which one do you think? Yeah, I also think these brown ones would go best with his outfit. Uqinisile, you are right. Now let's tell Andile to put on these sneakers, amateki. Let's tell him, Andile, gqoka amateki. Andile, gqoka amateki. Very good, Mngani, ngiyabonga. Now, Andile can go and play with his friends and enjoy the beautiful weather outside. Hamba kahle, Andile. Now let's move on to the next part of our board. The next part of our board is the color of the week. The color of this week is Phuzi. Phuzi. That is yellow. To say the yellow color or the color yellow, in isiZulu we say umbala ophuzi. Umbala ophuzi. Will you repeat that after me? Umbala ophuzi. Very good. Umbala ophuzi. Now, let's look at a couple of yellow things that we can find around. Yesterday, we saw a yellow bird, inyoni ephuzi. We also saw a yellow t-shirt, isikipha esiphuzi. Let's see what yellow things we can see today. Ooh, imoto ephuzi, a yellow car. Imoto a Phuzi. A balloon, ibhalunde eliphuzi. Ibhalunde eliphuzi. Ngiyabonga mngani. That was really, really great and fun to learn how to describe things by their color. Now let's move on to the next part of our isiZulu classroom board, which is the sound of the week. The sound of this week is I, 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 which is the letter I in isiZulu. Now let's learn two words with the sound I, I. A sister, usisi, usisi. Usisi is a sister, but a sister who is older. So if it's my sister, someone who's older than me, a sister who's older than you, usisi. Repeat after me, usisi. Very good, mngani. And the next word, oh, a dog, inja, inja. You repeat that after me, inja. Very good, mngani. Great job. Now, let's move on to the next part. And it is a yummy part. It is the word of the week. The word of the week is igwinya. Igwinya. Ooh, did you hear that? It has which sound? I. Igwinya. Very good, mngani. Now, we saw igwinya yesterday. Now let's look at igwinya again. Look at that, a soft one. Igwinya elithambile. Igwinya elithambile. A soft igwinya. Ooh, look at that. A tasty igwinya. Igwinya elimnandi. Oh, mngani, I really wish I could have one too. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on really quick so that I don't think about having igwinya. Now we move on to my favorite part. I love numbers. Now, numbers in isiZulu are izinombolo. 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 I am going to say all the numbers from 0 to 9 in isiZulu. Then I will ask you to repeat them after me. Iqanda, kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha, isikhombisa, isishiyagalombili, isishiyagalolunye. Those are the numbers from 0 to 9 in isiZulu. And now I'll ask you to repeat each one after me. Iqanda, kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha, isikhombisa, isishiyagalombili, isishiyagalolunye. Very, very good, mngani. Halala. Shayizandla, you should clap for yourself, mngani. You did great. Now that we've said all the numbers in isiZulu from 0 to 9, let's sing our numbers song, Izinombolo. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Bala kanye nami. Iqanda.
Iqanda.
Kunye.
Kunye.
Kubili.
Kubili.
Kuthathu.
Kuthathu.
Kune.
Kune.
Kuhlanu.
Kuhlanu.
Isithupha.
Isithupha.
Isikhombisa.
Isikhombisa.
Isishiya galombili.
Isishiya galombili.
Isishiya galolunye.
Isishiya galolunye.
Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Oh, mngani, wonderful. The number for this week is the number 3. Kuthathu. Kuthathu. Let us look at a couple of things that we can count up to 3. Oh, look at that. Amantombazane. Girls. Amantombazane. There are 3 girls. Amantombazane amathathu. Repeat after me. Amantombazane amathathu. Very good, mngani. Boys. 3 boys. Abafana abathathu. Abafana, boys, in isiZulu. Abafana abathathu. 3 boys. Can you repeat that after me? Abafana abathathu. Very, very good, mngani. Great job. You did amazingly well today. Shayizandla. You must clap your hands for yourself because you did really, really great. Now, before you go, and before I go, let's get up and move our bodies. Sukuma. Shayizandla. Shona phansi. Phezulu. Celeni. Jikeleza. Jikeleza. Celeni. Gijima. Zilule. Shayizandla. Thumba kabili. Celeni. Shona phansi. Phezulu. Shayizandla. Zilule. Jikeleza. Jikeleza. Shayizandla. Celeni. Jikiza. Jikiza. Celeni. Shona phansi. Phezulu. Shayizandla. Thumba kabili. Celeni. Shona phansi. Phezulu. Celeni. Zilule. Zilule. Phefumula. Phefumula. Hlala phansi. That was amazing, mngani. We did wonderfully today. I am so proud of you. Ngizokubona kusasa. I will see you tomorrow. Hamba kahle, mngani. This message is for parents, guardians, and teachers. You can extend this lesson to your home or classroom. I have made this week's worksheets and other learning materials at
www.zululessons.com/isiZulu-classroom. Sala kahle.